Well, absolutely. Before we take a look at the brokerage verdict, we've just received numbers coming in from Trent on their Q1 update, wherein they've reported their standalone revenue at 5,061 crore rupees compared to 4,228 crores this time last year, which is an uptick of 19.7% on a year-on-year basis. Now, this is even more disappointing for the stock. We already had the brokerage trigger and the weak AGM commentary coming in. The revenue adds a further round of concern for the company now, because the Bloomberg estimate, which is the consensus estimate across the street, is 5,253 crores, and this reported revenue number as of now for the update is down 4% versus estimates, so slightly disappointing on this front. In terms of store count, they've opened one Westside store and closed 11 Zudio stores in Q1, and closed one Westside and closed 10 Zudio stores as well. If you take a look at the other reason why the stock is down, on the back of weak AGM commentary coming in, where the company has said that growth trajectory for Q1 FY26 seems to be underwhelming given the already strong track record that they have so far. The weak commentary comes from their outlook for their core fashion business, wherein they've given a 20% growth guidance, which is a sharp knock from their 5-year CAGR of 35% growth. So very muted estimates for the core fashion business, and the management has reaffirmed their aspiration of 25% plus growth rate, but given the way the current run rate is, this seems like a tall ask at the moment. On the back of this, Nuvama has downgraded the stock to a hold rating from buy, cut the target price to 5,884 rupees per share compared to 6,627 earlier. They've also cut their FY26 and FY27 revenue and EBITDA estimates as well. For revenue, it's a cut of 5% and 6%, and for EBITDA, it's a cut of 9% and 12% respectively. So these are all the reasons why Trent is under deep pressure in today's trade.